a hyper tough chainsaw. First you put on the chain brake, make sure it's on, shake it a bit to mix the fuel, otherwise it's not going to be done the right way. Then you pull out the choke and you put it on the floor. I'm not going to put it on the floor, but you have to stand on it and then pull it. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to drop start it like you don't have to do it. When it does that, you push the choke inwards, and now you're going to have to expect some fireworks. And I think this thing has an easy start because if I yank on it like a normal chainsaw, it doesn't want to do it. That's how you start it. Let's just see again if it will start because it's hot now. Oops. Alright, easy starts, but it's not easy.